Good morning everyone, it's Tammy, and today I have an unboxing of Cocoa Daisy, and this time I remembered to open this package before I got on camera because it takes me a good, I don't know, far too long. It feels like 10 minutes, but it's probably more like 30 seconds or 40 seconds to open this package, but it's a long time because these envelopes are so sticky, but they are beautiful, and I do appreciate them. As well as these envelopes, I appreciate them too. And this is a new one. This is a yellow one. And I love her little stickers. I just love all of it. The presentation is just fabulous, which is part of the reason why I decided to continue on with her kits. And I get 2 every month. One that I get is the Itty Bitty, which is this one. And she sends them 2 months in advance. So this is the January Itty Bitty kit. And then I also get a regular kit, and I am planning to use them on my planner for next year. And I think that's going to work out just great for me. Well, and this is next year now. Now I don't even have to say that because this is January 2020. Holy cow, January 2020. So this is adorable. I can tell I'm already going to love this kit. My son loves penguins, so they have a special place in my heart just because of him. Look how cute that is. And there's 2 little penguins. That could be friends or that could be husband, whatever I want it to be. But oh my gosh. It could be me and Lisa on our coffee date. It could be me and Katie on a nail date. It could be me and Dennis on a date. It could be me and Alex going out for breakfast. Anything. It's so cute. Okay, so let's take a peek at this. Hello Winter, and I love the pink. Oh, and it's the same little guys. And then here is the January Wacky Holidays. Chocolate Covered Cherry Day, who knew? Sticker Day, Hot Buttered Rum Day, Blonde Brownie Day, Blueberry Pancake Day, Hot Chocolate Day, Hugging Day, just all sorts of different silly days, but it's kind of cute that there's one for every day of the year. And then here are the Itty Bitty headers and boxes, half boxes. Looks like little post-it notes, and it looks like little frost on them. That's cute. And the full boxes, Too Cold to Function. I've got big plans today, as he's just covered up in a blanket. 12 new chapters, 365 new chances. Ooh, that's nice. Hot Cocoa, Fuzzy Socks, Cozy Fire, Winter. The secret of getting ahead is getting started. Oh, those are all great. I love it. And then here are some check boxes. I love the snowflake ones. And some weekend stickers and some habit trackers, or what, well, I guess these aren't habit trackers, but like just daily whatevers. You can list makers. Your only limit is you. And this one says to buy, to do, to call, set up planner. That's cute. Celebrate, clean. Has cute little snowflake banners. Oh my gosh, look at the days of the week. It's little penguins, or the date stickers, I guess. Oh my gosh. So stinking cute. This is just adorable. I love it. And then the washi. How cute is this? I love it. This is just adorable. So I really am excited to start my planner for next year, and I just think these are something really cute to add to it. So thanks for watching. I hope that you guys check out, I don't know if I said it was from Cocoa Daisy or if I said Sweet Kawaii, because now that I'm looking at it, I kind of think I said Cocoa Daisy. Cocoa Daisy is something completely different, but this is Sweet Kawaii, and this is the one that I get 2 different kits from, and this one is the planner kits, and I love it. Cocoa Daisy has some really cute stuff too, but the Sweet Kawaii is what this is, so I'm sorry if I said that wrong to start, but not sponsored, but I still hate to mess it up for them. But if you guys go over there and check it out, just tell them that TT.Scraps sent you. I think that's fun to spread the love. But I don't think you'd be disappointed. Her stickers are so cute, especially if you like critters, because she kind of seems to like them too, obviously. So thanks, guys. Have a great day. Bye-bye.